The first question is, what do you expect ASEAN to achieve under Malaysia's leadership, particularly in fostering greater unity within the ASEAN bloc?
Okay, I think very important for Malaysia in promoting unity in the leadership within ASEAN's unity and centrality is very important, and the chairmanship of Malaysia is very important for us, Timor-Leste, as we are aspiring to become a full member of ASEAN. I think with the leadership or chairmanship with Malaysia is very important. The promotion of unity in order to work together as an ASEAN family for economic development, promoting resiliency and peace is really very, very important for us. And Timor-Leste really expects that within the chairmanship of Malaysia this year, we will be fully integrated into this family of nations of ASEAN.
How Malaysia's chairmanship can help facilitate Timor-Leste to be accepted as a full members of the regional bloc?
Since Timor-Leste accepted in principle in the 40th and 41st summit in Cambodia, Phnom Penh, in 2022, I think Timor-Leste actively involved, engaged in all the events, summits, and meetings, so it's really very important. With now the current chairmanship of Malaysia, we expect very much that with full support from Malaysia. And today at the meeting, also Prime Minister Dato Muhammad Hassan already voiced out the full support of Malaysia towards Timor-Leste's membership. I think this is really ensuring our potential membership to be fully fulfilled in this year.
Okay, I'm from Fauzi from PM. I have two questions for you. Maybe the first question is already answered. What is actually why they choose this year to become a member of ASEAN?
Well, the year is not really the problem, but this is because Timor-Leste already aspired to become a member of ASEAN. It's nearly 5 decades already, since 1975. This year we are completing 50 years, and before some of our leaders already met some of the ASEAN leaders to express our willingness, interest to become part of ASEAN. But now, I think since we started from 2011, all the work towards the membership of ASEAN. So this year, 2025 is really very important. We fully also believe in the capacity of Malaysian chairmanship. This year will be important for us, will be a decisive and historic moment for us, as well as our leaders in the country, our head of state, head of government, all are really committed to be fully part of the ASEAN family this year, 2025.
Okay, my another question is about our Malaysia live streaming 𝐶𝐞𝐧. So in different 8 languages in AI, what do you think about the initiative, the digital?
Well, you know, the Timor-Leste with us gain our independence more than 2 decades. We faced a lot of challenges in the state building processes, but we also came in a more modern state, and with the age of digitalization, I think it's really very important that with the AI, it's really very important to promote more advancement in education, technology, and also investment in the areas of trade, education, culture, and other activities that lead us for the regional cooperation and strengthening bilateral cooperation as well as in the multilateral forum.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Obrigado.
Boa tarde, meu nome é Danish, da FMP. Muito obrigado.
Nada. Quer que eu responda em português?
Esta entrevista para nós hoje. I have a few questions, 3 questions. What is the biggest challenge for Timor-Leste in fully integrating with ASEAN?
Timor-Leste have worked very intensively with all the teams. You know that since 2011 we have prepared ourselves to be full member of ASEAN, and that, as I said again, that in 2022 in the 40th and 41st summit in Cambodia, in Phnom Penh, we are accepted in principle as observer status. But now, this year, we are going to become full member 2025 under the Malaysian leadership. I think the challenges we are facing, especially in terms of the capacity, human resources, is also infrastructure. But it's really, we are committed. We have the team dedicated, and the leadership of our Vice Minister really focus on the ASEAN, and also with the support from the government, our head of state, Timor-Leste is fully committed to become a full member into ASEAN family.
Well, there are some observers or critics that say that both within Timor-Leste and internationally that say that maybe, Timor-Leste is not ready to be a full ASEAN member. What are your responses to that?
Well, it is understandable because Timor-Leste's membership into ASEAN is already in the age of digitalization. It was not like those countries who accepted before 20 years ago, many years ago. We are more prepared. And so if comparatively we can compare with the previous members, I think the situation of Timor-Leste is getting into a modern era, digitalization, e-government, all these things. So I think all the challenges we have faced, but this is really very good. Also to get these critical views, which give us more strength, to give us more motivation, commitment to improve our preparation, our work to become a full member into this family of ASEAN.
And so speaking on strength, how does Timor-Leste's membership strengthen ASEAN?
Well, we are a small country indeed. We speak Portuguese as our language. This is a European language. And I think we have our own also identity in the region. Geographically, we are already part of ASEAN. This is politically, which we are waiting to be full member of ASEAN. So we really appreciate very much all member states of ASEAN supporting us. Timor-Leste, I think, is small as we are, but we have our voices in the diplomacy, in international relations, also combined with other member states of ASEAN. We can be one power, one voice together as ASEAN voice, reinforcing unity and centrality, especially that we are also identifying ourselves as a regional bloc, very potential to bring peace, development, resiliency, and stability for the humankind.